Barrettine Decking Oil is an oil-based decking stain that is perfect for all types of wooden decking, summer houses, sheds, fences and other garden wood. It is solvent-based for deep penetration and enhancing the natural grain and beauty of your wooden decking. Also in the tin is a biocide to protect against mould and UV-resistant pigments to protect against colour fade. Before applying, your decking area should be clean, dry and free from all traces of dust, dirt, oil, grease, wax and silicone. If your decking isn't pressure treated, apply a couple of coats of Barrettine Premier Wood Preserver for the best protection. If your decking is new hardwood, allow it to have a period of weathering to allow the surface grain to open up. This will allow for better absorption of the oil. For older decking, old coatings and finishes must be fully removed back to bare wood before oiling. We would also recommend using a decking cleaner and reviver. When it comes to applying, always do a test area to check you're happy with the look. Apply a thin, even coat of oil with a suitable decking applicator. Work the oil into the surface of the decking boards. Treat 3 to 4 decking boards at a time to avoid overlap marks. Wipe off any excess oil with a clean, lint-free cloth. Allow the first coat to dry before applying a second. And allow 24 hours to dry completely before normal day-to-day use. Decking oils are very easy to apply and maintain, so when it does start to look a little worn or tired, a thin maintenance coat is all that is needed to make the decking look like new again. You can speak to our wood care experts on the phone and online. Head over to our website woodfinishesdirect.com to find everything you need for your project at great prices. And if you're in the Folkestone area, why not call into our shop on Park Farm Industrial Estate? Wood Finishes Direct, the wood care experts.